Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I got some stuff that I purchased from Bima's Crafty Corner, and I will have her channel linked in the description box, and an item I bought off eBay. So let's start. Look at this cool bag. Love this bag. This is from Bima. So, Bima had a sale this past weekend, or I shouldn't say weekend. When was the 7th? I think that was a Monday, wasn't it? When was the 7th? It was a Tuesday. So the 7th. My bad. And I purchased a few items. I got this cool little die and stamp set. It's makeup. And Riley's my makeup little queen. And I thought, oh, I'm going to buy that for Riley. So I got the dies as well as the stamps. Isn't that cute? Oh, she took it out of the package. And then, y'all know I love Bob Ross. Bob Ross is one of my heroes besides Van Gogh. I mean, I got a Bob Ross Funko Pop for my grandkids. So, she had Bob Ross fans. Plus, I make my little cards that I put in people's packages as Bob Ross. So, these are Bob Ross fans. I thought, oh my god, I need them in my life. And I'm going to actually scan these. So, I got them. Then, I don't know where she found these, but I bought them all. They're Bob Ross postcards. Oh. And so we got this one. It says, every painting is going to be different. And that's what makes it great. Look at all those images of Bob Ross. Bob Ross could turn two-dimensional canvases. So we got that one. Then we got Just Let Your Imagination Go. I was greedy. I admit it. I went all. And then I went, anything that you try and you don't succeed, if you learn from it, it's not a failure. Hug me. And every day is a good day when you paint. Most definitely. They're so cool. Let's get crazy. What the heck? I go to bed with this man every day. This is not something you should labor over or worry about. Enjoy it. These are so cool. I might do the Bob Ross. Some sort of journal. Would be kind of cool. They're bigger than I thought they were. I'll admit. That's alright though. Trees don't grow even. They don't grow straight. I just, however, make them happy. Smoosh it in there. Smoosh it in there. Smoosh it in there. And then you got, let's put a few little highlights in here just to make them little rascals just sparkle in the sun. Did you ever think you could just take a great big old brush and make all these beautiful little trees? You really can. I have to put these in with my Van Gogh book. I don't know if they'll fit. I look forward to seeing you again. and that may be the true joy of painting when you share it with other people. Most definitely. Most definitely. No use stopping when you're having so much fun. Nature is so fantastic. Enjoy it and let's make you happy. If he could only see what his world has come to. What saddens me is that his son does not get anything from anything with his dad's name on it. That's really sad. Son of a gun, that's pretty nice tree for being done that quick. I think there ought to be big old trees right about there. Everybody needs a friend. And the last one is saving all these bags. These things I've right in your these things live right in your brush, all you have to do is shake them out and make love to a canvas. Them are cool. Yeah. Okay, what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 of them. And plus these little stickers, like, you can move mountains, river, trees. You can determine what your world is like. You have to have dark in order to show light. And they're just as little sayings. My favorite one is, where is it? I know it's in here because she read it. Right here. We don't make mistakes. We just have happy accidents. And that's this one right here. There are no mistakes, only happy little accidents. It's one of my favorite sayings from him. So I got them. Them are cool. So I got the dies. And then I won some Amy paper. Some red Amy paper. So that's cool. And then she sent me as a thank you little bookmarks. I love to read. Ooh, look at that one. And away we go. Oh, it looks like a TV or like games. Oh, this way. There we go. Okay, that's a game. That's a camera. That's a cassette. That's a camcorder. It's a game. Looks like a floppy disk. Looks like a roll of film. And then she has this little challenge going on, and I'm going to have to go back and look at the details, where you take this, and I think you need to make a ladybug tag. So you got that, you have to do this, and this. I'll have to go back and ask her. It's a little ladybug, and then you're supposed to incorporate this in whatever you else choose in a tag. If I am correct, I have to go back and touch base on that one again with her. Let's see the details. So that is from Els. See, when I say my Van Gogh book, I have a postcard book where it's all my Van Gogh postcards. So, no. Oh, no. Oh, well. I will find a different place. Oh, what's going on here? What? Oh, my God. I was like, what? There we go. Okay. Okay. So that is from Elle's Game Honest Crafty Corner sale, which is kind of cool. Down, and then I bought this off eBay. Thought it was unique, and I've never seen one like this before. It's the Gorgeous Girls. My honey actually bought me this, my hubby. This 9-piece little rubber stamps, and come on, there we go. I thought they were, like, the shape of them were neat. Okay, we got that. I can't wait to stamp these on and color them. They're cute. That they make cute little tags on, like, a little spot on a tag. So Scott bought me these. I was out in the living room just looking something up on eBay for Scott, and then I showed him and he had me put an order in, and I'm like, can I get something? And he's like, what do you want? And I showed him, and he's like, yeah, go ahead. Aren't they cute? I just think they're cute. So that is my big haul, guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Go check out BMO's Crafty Corner. She has sales the 7th of every month. She also has 12 of 22, which is journals, and she picks a different theme for the journal each month. And you make the journal, and you're putting it in, put your name down, and at the end of the year, she'll be drawing a giveaway winner. I don't know if it's just one. It depends how many people do it, I guess. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Monday. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody. Bye!